This work in supporting youth in crisis is fundamental to creating a healthier valley and a healthier future.
There's some really smart kids here. Everything that they've been through, everything that they've experienced is going to be used for something way greater than they know.
The Fresno Mission has been around for nearly 77 years, and during that time, really the face of homelessness has totally changed. Nearly half the people that are staying on one of our pillows tonight is under the age of 18. And the reason for that is that youth homelessness, childhood homelessness, just looks different. Their needs are different. For so long, so much of the policy in our state and our federal government has really been aimed at that guy who's been living underneath the underpass, and yet the kid, the youth, the child, has really been an afterthought. But in reality, what they need is so much more. One of the main things that we've done over the last several years is develop the City Center campus, which is the largest and most comprehensive campus in the entire country for youth and families experiencing crisis.
Thank you for calling the Fresno Mission. How can I serve you? I'm a collection of bad choices, and probably a bigger collection of justifying those bad choices. I'd look at your car. If there was cobwebs on your car, I would check that door handle. If it opened, that's where I'd stay in the night. The last time I got out of jail, I knew I had to change. You're welcome. My primary position is the front desk, and I've been deemed front desk Jeff. This is where the kids, they come in feeling like, there's nothing else. I don't know where else to go or what else to do. It's hard. On my end, it's hard because I know somewhere along the line they've been broken, and it's just not fair.
Whether that's a child who's with their parents, whether that's a kid aging out of the foster care system, whether that's a 17-year-old who's been trafficked, what we notice is the rising and substantial number of youth who are facing some form of life insecurity crisis. They're the ones who we need to pay very close attention to because their futures can be dictated by what happens in that season of life when they face an unimaginable crisis. At City Center, we have pulled together more than 20 different organizations on a one-stop shop location that provides everything from a charter school that focuses on homeless and foster youth, access to emergency housing, career services, mental health services, a medical clinic, a free grocery store, and so much more, all at a one-stop shop location. What this partnership with Valley Children's allows us to do is it's catalyzing the work so that we now can amplify, refine, increase, and enhance the system that we already have been working on.
Helping at-risk youth fits perfectly into what we are charged to do as our work in the mission statement of Valley Children's, to improve the health and well-being of children.
When we find our youth in crisis, it's so critical that we support them because we know that toxic stress triggers a lot of processes in the body linked to the higher risk of developing chronic health conditions.
We are together able to create a model that we can share all over the country. We have the opportunity to create success for these kids in a way I think would be very hard to find elsewhere.
The youth here and the programs here are vital. I get to see a difference. They come in here apprehensive, unsure, untrusting, and next thing you know, their smiles. There's more than a pep in their step, there's purpose.
We're not just here to provide the best possible, highest quality of care regardless of a family's ability to pay. We're also here to improve the health and well-being of kids. And the Fresno Mission and the City Center are a perfect fit.
I mean, can you imagine a community that said, for any kid that's facing a crisis, we have the very best system of care possible at their darkest moment. And that's what the Our Valley Cares initiative is about.